Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to calculate the sum of values inside an array using JavaScript. This is super useful when dealing with lists of numbers, whether clean or messy with extra data. Let's dive into the details and build a function to handle it smoothly. Often in JavaScript, we deal with arrays containing various types of data. We might just want to sum up the numeric values, ignoring anything that isn't a valid number. This problem comes up in finance, game scores, data processing, and more. So how do we build a reliable solution for it? Here, we define a sum function that takes an input array. We first check if it is really an array using toString call. Then we loop through the array and skip anything that is not a valid number. Finally, we add up only the numeric elements and return the total. The function begins by making sure the input is actually an array. It then loops through each element, using is nan to find out which ones are numbers. Those values are then converted to a number, just to be safe, and added into our total. The function returns the sum after the loop is complete. Let's see how this works with real examples. In the first case, the array of 1, 2, and 3 sums up to 6 because all are numbers. In the second, we get negative 97 by adding 100, minus 200, and 3. The third example skips the A string and sums the rest for a clean result of 6. Sum functions are critical in many real-world scenarios. We see them in dashboards, games, accounting software, and data analysis tools. Often data isn't as clean, so ignoring non-numbers is crucial. This function makes sure your sums are correct and bug-free. And that wraps up our look at summing values in arrays. We've learned how to filter out junk data and focus on numbers only. This ensures accurate totals every time, even with messy inputs. Keep this handy for any projects involving arrays and sums. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.